Welcome to the definitive OpenClaw to ZeroClaw migration report. This is your comprehensive audio briefing covering everything you need to know to migrate your AI agent infrastructure, maximize performance, cut costs, strengthen security, and unlock entirely new deployment possibilities. Let's start with why you should migrate. OpenClaw is a capable framework. It connects chat apps to AI agents with a mature plugin ecosystem. But it carries a heavy price. Each OpenClaw agent instance consumes 1.52 gigabytes of RAM. It takes over 8 minutes to cold start. The binary plus its Node.js runtime dependencies exceed 400 megabytes. ZeroClaw changes everything. Built from the ground up in Rust, a single ZeroClaw agent needs just 7.8 megabytes of RAM. That is 195 times less than OpenClaw. It cold starts in 380 milliseconds, which is 1,315 times faster. The entire binary is 3.4 megabytes. No Node.js, no Python runtime, no Docker dependency, just a single, self-contained binary. Now, let's walk through the migration process step by step. Step 1. Back up your OpenClaw state. Copy the entire state directory, typically located at ~OpenClaw. This contains your configuration, authentication tokens, session data, and channel state. A simple cp-r command creates your safety net. Step 2. Install ZeroClaw. This is a single command. Run curl-fsslzerotswaf.org path:/install.sh pipeshish. That's it. The 3.4 megabyte binary downloads and installs in seconds. Step 3. Run the dry migration. This is critical. Execute ZeroClaw migrate OpenClaw-dry-run. This previews exactly what will be transferred without modifying anything. Review the output carefully. It will show conversation history, daily logs, session data, and memory entries that will be migrated. Step 4. Execute the migration. When you're satisfied with the preview, run ZeroClaw migrate OpenClaw. The tool transfers conversation history with timestamps preserved, daily logs, session data, and your entire knowledge base. The memory system converts to ZeroClaw's SQLite hybrid search using FTS5 full text search plus cosine similarity. No external database dependencies like Redis or Postgres. Step 5. Verify and deploy. Run ZeroClaw Channel Doctor to check that all your communication channels are healthy. Then run ZeroClaw status to confirm the service is running. The entire process takes less than 15 minutes. Let me share what gets migrated and what doesn't. Conversation history, daily logs, session data, and memory are all fully migrated. Channel configurations for Telegram, Discord, and Slack are automatically mapped. However, WhatsApp and iMessage channels are not yet natively supported by ZeroClaw. Custom Docker tool sandboxes need to be converted to ZeroClaw's allow-list-based system. Now, let's talk about the financial impact. The cost savings are staggering. At 10 agent scale, you save 90%, dropping from $3,000 annually to $300. At 50 agents, savings reach 96%, from $15,000 to just $600 per year. At 500 agents, you save 98%, from $150,000 to $3,000. Here's a real-world example. A startup running 50 OpenClaw agents on cloud VPS instances spends approximately $15,000 per year. After migrating to ZeroClaw, those same 50 agents run on a single $45 per month dedicated server. That's an annual savings of $14,460. Security is another compelling reason to migrate. ZeroClaw's Rust Foundation eliminates entire categories of vulnerabilities. Buffer overflows are impossible thanks to Rust's borrow checker. Supply chain attacks are mitigated because dependencies are compiled into the binary at build time, not loaded from npm at runtime. The attack surface shrinks from 400 megabytes of runtime to 3.4 megabytes of static binary. ZeroClaw implements security allowlists for controlled execution, workspace scoping to isolate agents, built-in device pairing for authentication, and environment-only secret management with no config file leaks. CrowdStrike published an advisory in February 2026 specifically about OpenClaw, noting that AI agents require runtime protection and that organizations must treat agent infrastructure with the same rigor as traditional IT systems. ZeroClaw's design addresses these concerns by default. The project also has 1017 tests, combined with Rust's type safety, providing exceptional reliability confidence. Perhaps the most exciting benefit is edge deployment. When your agent fits in 7.8 megabytes of RAM, entirely new deployment targets become possible. A $5 Raspberry Pi Zero with 512 megabytes of RAM can run approximately 50 ZeroClaw agents. OpenClaw cannot run at all on this hardware. A $35 Raspberry Pi 4 supports around 200 agents. Even an old laptop sitting in a drawer becomes a powerful agent server running 800 or more instances. This enables scenarios that were previously impossible. Smart home AI assistants running locally with no cloud dependency. Industrial IoT agents monitoring factory equipment at the edge. Fleets of autonomous coding agents on a single board computer. Offline capable field agents for remote or disaster area deployment. Per classroom AI tutors in schools using cheap hardware. For developers building multi-tenant SaaS. ZeroClaw's memory profile enables per-user AI agents without provisioning dedicated virtual machines. This is the infrastructure that makes AI agents a commodity. The trait-based architecture means you can swap LLM providers at compile time with zero runtime overhead. This enables bring your own model deployments where the binary only contains code for the specific provider you use. Let me address common concerns about migration. Will I lose data? No. The migration tool preserves all conversation history, logs, sessions, and memory with timestamps intact. Always run the dry run first. What about my channels? Telegram, Discord, and Slack map automatically. WhatsApp and iMessage require workarounds or a bridge service. Is ZeroClaw production ready? With 1017 tests, 3,400 GitHub stars in 48 hours, and Rust's compile time safety guarantees. Yes. Can I run both during transition? Absolutely. Many teams run ZeroClaw alongside OpenClaw during a transition period, gradually moving agents over. In conclusion, migrating from OpenClaw to ZeroClaw delivers 195 times less memory usage, 1,315 times faster startup, 96 to 98% infrastructure cost savings, stronger security by design, and access to edge deployment on hardware costing as little as $5. The migration takes less than 15 minutes, preserves your data, and the built-in ZeroClaw migrate OpenClaw command was designed as a day one feature specifically to make this transition painless. This report was generated by Agent Zero using Anthropic Claude Sonnet, with data visualizations created in Python using Matplotlib and NumPy, audio generated via Google Text-to-Speech, all running in a Kali Linux container. Research data was gathered from GitHub, official documentation, Reddit, dev.to, DeepWiki, and CrowdStrike advisories. Thank you for listening. Happy migrating!